Hey everybody. So we had the remnants of Hurricane Debbie today. Luckily, no more tree branches of significance down. I had Charlie in most of the day, and she's only been out a few hours now. She's currently trying to eat wood chips. I can't. So we have more wood in our backyard than some place that has a lot of wood. I don't know. But the rebuild has been going so friggin' slow. I have a branch on top of there right now because that roof flap is unscrewed and I didn't want it to blow off. Probably should have put the tent away in hurricane force winds, but anyway, I have a large piece of wood. Like, I don't know if this is considered, oh, hello, there's a cat in there. Plywood, I don't know. It's not the right size, but I thought maybe I could just put it over the window. And then maybe use the wire from the original construction to replace the rest. Because I have some brackets, kind of like this, coming in. But they're not going to be in for a few days. I'm going to brace that together, and then I'm going to add a plank underneath it. And I might add a plank vertical as well, and then replace the stuff. I don't want to wait anymore. This was a perfect example of a day where she would have been fine out here if she had been able to use her shelter. So let's see what I can do. This might be a total fail. Alright, I'm inside the mews now. Every time I try to do a simple fix out here, it just gets immensely complicated or frustrating, and it's I can do one thing out of 20 that I need to do. But here we are, so I'm gonna see if this will cover any part of this gap. It is not ideal to only have one wall with ventilation. I mean, the back wall is not flush and insulated by any means, so there's gonna be a little bit of airflow, and obviously I'm not gonna leave it like this. I just really want to get her in here and not in a small crate every night where she's pooping, because I can't hose it down every night. Their poop can be like glue. It doesn't come off. I've also wanted to clean in here really badly, and you can see how literally crappy it still is. So let me see if I can even lift this thing, and I think there's something I can lean it on. I also don't want her to hurt herself with anything at all. I am burned out. Every wind, thunder, major rain that we get, I'm now terrified that our house or Charlie's facilities are gonna get destroyed, and that's what it was like all day. And it's Friday. I'm just freaking tired, man. I'm like I really shouldn't be doing this right now. I should have taken a break first, but this is how I operate, apparently. Okay, I know there's a glare, sorry. That's poop. I've been cleaning as much as I can to keep her inside. So this is take 4, I think, in trying to just fit this piece up here to see if this is gonna work. I brought some screws just in case it's a success. I bought this for my dad, but then I ended up buying one for myself. It's a magnetic snap bracelet, basically. You can put it on your arm, on your leg. You know how it's annoying when you keep losing the screws or dropping them on the ground? Now you can literally just connect them to your wrist or your foot. And you can also use this on the ground to try and get a screw up that you can't see. So yeah, wish me luck. Let's see what happens. I'm just checking that tiny gap on that side. Just gonna put a screw in here to hold it, and then I'm gonna go look outside. Yep, it looks like I boarded it up for a hurricane that already passed. As long as I can trust this, this may actually work for just a couple days. I'm gonna put this bracket that was basically here anyway on it to kind of hold it over. And then, because I can easily take those screws out if I have to, and then see, because I can't have her banging herself accidentally on that broken wood. So I'm probably gonna have to go in and see if I can get the cage material, the wire up there. I have very little bit of a plan. Don't know if it's gonna work. Could I get a construction crew to come out and like fix this for real and put it back the way it was? But, well, I don't have any money, but yeah. But this is my bird. Falconers want to be involved in everything that's going on for their birds. And we're a bit stubborn, in general. Also, I just really want to get her in here. Well, she can't bump against that. It's not dangerous anymore. This is so janky, you guys. This is not. It'll be the ugliest thing ever, but it'll be safe and functional. You guys see how many more like metal braces I have for this stuff? I need to like get the corner here. All right, that worked. So that's good. I don't think I'm gonna put a whole beam across the top. I think I just need something for that corner. That's in, but I gotta trim it. In that corner. Let's see what we can do here. Promising corner piece and some more metal pieces that are bigger. I'm gonna climb up there and see what I can do. I also have a whole bucket full of like small wooden pieces, so maybe I can find something to just make the corner safe, and I'm gonna clip the sharp edges. the ugliest thing ever. But when we give ourselves some time to figure out that board, we may have to attack it from the top because there's screws stuck in there that I can't unscrew because they're crooked now. Oy. Gonna keep the branch on the roof just to keep that flap down, but the screen is reinforced from inside and outside. This board is not going anywhere. However, just like this, there are a couple of screws that are sticking out on the inside, so I'm gonna fix that with good old duct tape, and then I'm gonna bring her in. I'm gonna keep her attached, see what she does, but I'm pretty confident she can't get out of there. I have no idea what she's doing here in the mud. Maybe it feels good on her feet, but like, I don't know if it caught on the camera. I passed her like 20 times. She's in the worst possible spot, but I never want to like move her with my foot. It's like kicking her. So she's just gonna stay here, but I am gonna pick her up with food and see how she likes the new space. I think she's gonna be excited to be able to go back in there. I'm just gonna have to do a couple more modifications. Okay. We're gonna try it. She's not cooperating. She's mad that I don't have a third chick for her, even though I do. So let's go in here. I don't know what we just got, but she is safely in the mews right now. I'm double checking that the door to the weathering area is shut to see if I can open the door to the weathering area. She's a little out of breath. She was fighting me because, well, she was just baiting off the glove a lot because the routine for the last 3 weeks has been give her a chick, let her go in her water if she wants, bring another chick, get her out, and then put her in the crate. And instead, I brought her in, weighed her, and then brought her back out. So she's just now kind of looking around. The bars that are on this front window, I'm gonna have to put on the other window. That's part of a requirement so that if they fly into the wire, they don't hurt themselves. Now this bird only has flown into the wire if she sees me with food. It's not a good habit, but I try to, curb it. I'm trying to work on it with her. But I haven't seen her fly into the wire in here. I don't think ever. It doesn't mean it couldn't happen. So I've got the vertical bars. I just don't have them up right now. Obviously, this is a temporary situation. I just saw her looking up there. I also have to... What are you looking at? Oh, she's looking at the lawnmower. I gotta get the lawnmower out of here because I don't want her pooping on it, but I also don't want the gasoline like in here. We just put it in here so she didn't have to breathe it in the other shed for a few nights. What is that? That's a weird thing. She's so curious about it. The other thing is, they remember, especially if there's something traumatic. And I don't know what she experienced. What's the matter? Oh, you're standing on your dresses. You're standing on them. Okay, yeah, you got them. You got them. I don't know what she remembers from the night that the tree fell. It was probably a really loud noise for her. I don't know if she was closer to where the tree fell and then she got out of there and flew to the corner. Like, I don't know what she experienced or what she remembers. This could be, I don't want to say triggering for a bird, but I mean, it could be like a bad experience that she remembers in here. So if she freaks out and starts flying into the wire that I just put up, which I don't think she's going to, but if she did, I'd have to figure something else out and probably put her in the crate. So she is very chill, but I have to observe and make sure that she's good. She's begging me for food. You're very curious. Let me go get another chick and see what you do, okay? All right, I'm gonna have to unclip you, okay? Because I gotta go in and get your food. Yeah, so if you're going crazy in here, I'm gonna have to go. There's no food in here. Alright, let's see what she does while I'm not here. Be right back. Up there. I have a log up there because it's unscrewed and it could just blow off. Ripping down the roof off. Let me go in there with her first. I know. Hold on. Let me get in there with you. Don't jump at me yet. Don't. Wait. Up. I know it's backwards. Up. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Yeah. I mean, I think she's gonna be fine. I'm gonna put my glove over here. I'm gonna be trying.
I'm sorry.
Let me get this out for you. Oh. Go ahead. We have to turn it around. We're gonna have to turn it though. Right on the other side of it. So I attached, oh shoot, I have to get duct tape and cover the screws on the inside. But I kept it on that and got it as flush over here as I could and then screwed it so that, screwed it here and then screwed the wire on the inside so she could get up to that. I think we're good, sweetie. I'm gonna try to prop up your door. You okay? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. She's still kind of tucked in with her feathers, but she's got a nice fat crop right there. Can you get out of this door, though? Yeah. It's more important that she gets out of that door. Hi. I heard her rouse in here. Yeah. I heard her shake her feathers, so she's eating in here. She roused. I think you're doing okay. Yeah? And now you can come in if it's raining. Yeah, I gotta get the chair out of your mew. Yeah. What do you see over there? Are you gonna be okay with this? We're not gonna leave it like this, but it'll be a lot easier on both of us, okay? Yeah. I know. No touchy? No touchy? You're supposed to let me touch you. Shuffle, shuffle. I just gave you food. Oh, she went back out. Okay. I'm gonna have to watch her for the next like 20 minutes and just kind of see what her behavior is. I have to clean up all the construction-y stuff. You gotta go in your water. She has her food now. She goes in her water usually, so she might be doing that. All right, so for some reason she flew out to her log. Usually she goes into her water after she eats, but see how wet it is in here? I don't know if you can tell. All right, so now that we've got a temporary solution, now I can focus on cleaning it and planning what I'm gonna do a little bit better. It ain't pretty, right? It ain't pretty. It's friggin' wire attached to a whatever the heck kind of board that is. Subflooring? I don't even know what we bought. So maybe we'll buy a couple more things that will make this actually look kind of nice. I'll, you know, clean it out. But she's going to be happier. She's going to be on that perch above the door every morning. So this is going to be a lot easier on her tail feathers as they're growing in. It's going to be a lot easier on me, because I won't have to carry her in and clean her poop and make sure it smells okay, like in that crate, and keep track of the sunrise and sunset so that her biology doesn't get off. So this will be much easier. I can relax a little bit for me, which is not much. Okay, so we have got a temporary solution, but a functional one, and it is safe. I will make sure. I gotta go duct tape those screws sticking out. But other than that, we're good. And I don't know if I'm gonna put this as part of a bigger video or what, but I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching. She just went to bed. I'm so excited. She flew to the farthest back perch, but I think she's looking to get up on the door. So it worked. Yes, back to normal, mostly. Welcome to my janky world of I need to get my fucking bird in my mew. Oh, stay. I need to reach the drill. Okay. Charlie's eating worms for some reason. Airplane. I'm like the least coordinated person in the universe. I know. Honey, I know, believe me. You're so majestic. Shit. I don't know what's happening. Why is it like that? Oh my god.